Okay, folks, here's page 106, the story entitled Adventus Agricolae. I'm going to review very quickly for you lines 1 through 14, just highlight a few things, and then walk you a little more slowly through 15 through 22, which you will have translated by Wednesday. Please do that and come with any questions you might have. We have the soldiers of the Second Legion at Dewa. Um, they have been working hard because their leg, Silanus, is expecting Agricola's arrival. The soldiers, however, don't know why they're working so hard because Silanus is is driving them hard but not telling them why. And they take this very badly. 3 days they work. Finally, on the fourth day, Silanus tells them that Agricola is coming, and when they had heard this, they are extremely happy because they really like Agricola. And then starting in line 11, we get our first ut clause, which we've discussed already today in class, Monday. Solanus then arrange the soldiers into long rows or columns, and we want to know, of course, why he did that. And so we get an ut clause, this time a purpose clause. He arranged them into long rows, and remember the translation for your ut with the subjunctive purpose, in order that they salutarent, referring back to the soldiers, in order that they might greet Agricola. And then we get another subjunctive clause, but this time a cum clause. When they had seen Agricola coming into the camp, they raised a great shout, Yo, Agricola! Yo, yo, Agricola! They are very happy to see him. Um, Moving into lines 15 through 22, and this, again, you will have translated on your own. I hope you had an okay time doing that. Excuse me, I hope you have an okay time doing it after listening to this brief screencast. In line 15, we start the line with what I've been calling a red flag word. Right? This is one of those 4 red flag words that I discussed with you earlier. Tantus, so great, that should put our radar up, especially when we see an ut and a subjunctive verb after that. So see if you can tease that out from what we discussed in class today. And by the way, for this clause, the subject of audiret is going to be nemo, no one. Okay. Then we get in line 16 yet another ut. Any red flag word leading into this clause? Doesn't look like it. So we've got to be thinking some other kind of ut clause. Remember, you've got the possibilities for your 3 ut clauses are purpose clause, result clause, or possibly, although we won't see them yet, an indirect command. We won't see those for a little bit. And in the next sentence, here they come, thick and fast, yet another ut clause. Okay, please pay attention with these ut clauses to the subject indicated in the subjunctive verb ending. Okay, and then we get Agricola himself speaking to his soldiers. Please notice that the verbs in his quotations are all in the first person singular, not surprisingly, because he is directly addressing the soldiers in the first person. Also notice that you've got a couple of comparative degree adjectives. Please make sure to translate those accordingly. Oh, and by the way, also notice that underlined in blue throughout this passage, those are words that are glossed for you. He finishes his quotation here, and the passage rounds out with yet another 2 ut clauses. And again, see if you can tease out what kind of ut clauses they are. We did, before the break, actually look at several of these out of context. Now you've got them in context. Okay, good luck with lines 15 through 22. Come to class on Wednesday with any questions you might have, and we will proceed from there. Have a good day, everyone. Walete.